Card from American Express. It pays you to do more.
You know how kids love getting their clothes muddy? It's the new Mum and Dad's Challenge.
You could win a fantastic Dad's obstacle course for your kids' primary school. All you do, mums, is vote for your kids' school by ringing this number, 0990 552 552. The more votes, the more chance your school could be one of 250 winners. Ring now. Be a winner with new Dads.
The Black & Decker Stripe Master mower is only £98 in the Dickens summer sale.
Can you guess how much Vodafone's new local off-peak call rate is for both evenings and weekends? Just 2p a minute. For cheaper local off-peak calls, the word is Vodafone.
This week for the World Cup, Tesco are cutting the price of all beers and lagers by 20%. And that's just one of over 500 special offers available every week. Oh, but hurry. They won't be around forever. Tesco. Every little helps.
The IKEA summer sale starts 10 a.m. this Thursday. There is something for everyone.
She's the kind of girl you meet while at 30,000 feet. She's a winner, 'cause no matter what takes place, there's a smile on her face. She's no quitter. She's a lady. Whoa, she's a lady.
Have you had your Weetabix?
New pourable dressings from Hellmann's. The only way to dress. A salad.
I wish I was a lettuce.
Lucozade, low calorie with vitamins.
It's low in calories, so it helps me stay firm where it counts.
Yeah.